Hello students, let us start with patterns in Python. Before I proceed with pattern, basically these are the contents, depends upon loops. Suppose I write for I in range 1 to 6, then print I. Let us execute the program. It will print all the contents in first column. Suppose I have to print these values in row, then I have to use AND with open braces. Then I can print the elements in a row. Now, if I am using double for loop for I in range 1 to 6, then for j in range 1 to 6, then print, suppose I use j for both the values I comma j. Then and single quote, these are the values. Suppose I have to separately display all the values, then I can write here print, basically space is required here. You can display the elements, some more space can be produced. You can separately display all the elements. Now what is the meaning of basically this value? This value is 1 1. First value is the value of I and second is the value of j, ij. It means in first row value of I is 1 and value of j changes from 1 to 6. Now what is the meaning of this inside the loop? For I is equal to 1 to 6, basically I varies from 1 to 5 and also j varies from 1 to 5. This is basic understanding of basically patterns, so that we can proceed in the next video also. I varies from 1 to 5. When the value of I is equal to 1, j varies from 1 to 5. That's why 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 and 1 5. Now what about next? Print, some space is there. It means we are proceeding in next line basically. Then print, you can write here new line also like this, but some space is there inside. Basically if I am writing only the space, then new line is produced inside Python. But if I am writing new line, it means one space more than the new line. Now ij, it means first row first column, then first row second column, first row third column, first row fourth column and first row fifth column. Basically it's the production of matrix. Then second row first column, now value of I is equal to 2 and j again varies from 1 to 5. Suppose I copy and paste the content. But this time, let us remove these contents. These are the comment line basically. Suppose I write here I plus j. Let us execute the program. check the output. Suppose I write only the space here and execute the program. Reduce the space also from here. And also from this point. Check the output now. These are the values. Basically, what is the output now? I plus j. First value is 1, 1. Basically, I am adding these values. I am adding these values. You can write here print space. Now you can print the data in new line. First value is 1, 1. I am adding these values 1 plus 1, 2, then 1 plus 2, 3. Similarly, you can add all the values. Pattern is new. If I write I minus j, you can find the difference between these values. According to your choice, you can display the content. If I write multiplication, you can develop the values accordingly. If you would like to reduce the loop, you can display the values accordingly. Suppose I write here 4, then again 4, 4. It's a 3 into 3 basically construction. These are the values. You can understand the content in more sophisticated way. 1 into 1, then 1 into 2, 1 into 3. It means we are multiplying the things. If I write here division, then you can display the contents accordingly. Basically, these are the values in decimal format. If I write here 2 times slash, basically it's integer division. You can find out the value of quotient only. And if I write here the sign of percentage, it means you can find the remainder when one value is divided by another value. Let us repeat again. First content is addition. You can display the contents by adding the values. Second is subtraction. Then you can display the values by subtracting the values. Then you can multiply. Again execute. The product of the values are there. It's integer division. Basically, you are calculating quotient here. And next one is percentage sign. You are calculating the value of remainder. Hope you can understand the contents of basics of patterns in Python. In the next video, we will display some more patterns. Thanks for watching my video.